Mixed method research design, there are different types of mixed method research design. The difference between them relate to the aim of the research, the timing of the data collection, and the importance given to each data type. As you design your mixed method study, also keep in mind your research approach, inductive versus deductive, your research questions, what kind of data is already available for you to use, what kind of data you are able to collect yourself. So here are few of the most common mixed design strategies. Triangulation in research means using multiple data sets, methods, theories, and or investigators to address a research question. It's a research strategy that can help you enhance the validity and credibility of your findings and mitigate the presence of any research biases in your work. Triangulation is mainly used in qualitative research, but it's also commonly applied in quantitative research. If you decide on mixed method research, you'll always use methodological triangulation. Examples: triangulation in different types of research. First is qualitative. You conduct in-depth interviews with different groups of stakeholders, such as parents, teachers, and children. Quantitative research. You run an eye-tracking experiment and involve 3 researchers in analyzing the data. Mixed method research. You conduct a quantitative survey followed by a few qualitative structured interviews. Next is embedded. In embedded design, you collect and analyze both types of data at the same time. But within a larger quantitative or qualitative design, one type of data is secondary to the other. Though this is a good approach to take if you have limited time or resources. You can use an embedded design to strengthen or supplement your conclusion from the primary type of research design. Example of embedded design as a part of quantitative study testing, whether the number of cyclists complains about an area correlates with the number of accidents. You could embed a series of qualitative interviews with cyclists who submitted complaints to further strengthen your argument. The bulk of your research remains quantitative. Explanatory design. In this explanatory sequential design, your quantitative data collection and analysis occurs first, followed by qualitative data collection and analysis. You should use this design if you think your qualitative data will explain and contextualize your quantitative findings. Explanatory sequential design, you analyze the accident statistics first and draw preliminary conclusion about which areas are most dangerous. Based on these findings, you conduct interviews with cyclists in high accident areas and analyze complaints qualitatively. You can utilize the qualitative data to explain why accidents occur on specific roads and take a deep dive into particular problem areas. Next is exploratory sequential design. In an exploratory sequential design, qualitative data collection and analysis occur first, followed by quantitative data collection and analysis. You can use this design to first explore initial questions and develop hypotheses. Then you can use the quantitative data to test or confirm your qualitative findings. Examples: exploratory sequential design. You first interview cyclists to develop an initial understanding of problem areas and draw preliminary conclusion. Then you analyze accident statistics to test whether cyclist perceptions line up with where accidents occur.